Hello everyone. Let's discuss lesson 5 of physical geography part. This entire world map is divided is based on the latitudinal line, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, that is tropical area, temperate area, polar zone, etc. So let's discuss. So we can see that at 0 degree latitude, it is called equatorial line, and 23 degree, 23 and a half degree north, 23 and a half degree south. These are the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, respectively. Now, talking now, we know since the Earth is tilted by 23 and a half degree, so the movement of that is the direct sunlight or intensity of sun will be maximum at at between 23 and a half degree north and 23 and south degree south. So the sun's movement is between in this only, that is in tropical area, tropical zone only, not outside of tropical zone. So let's see the dates. That is on 21st March, 21st June. The sun will be at Tropic of Cancer point, and then at the 23rd September it will be at equator point, then at 22nd December it will be at Tropic of Capricorn part, and then again at 21st March it will be at equator, and then again at 21st June it will be at Tropic of Cancer. So the movement of sun will be like this only, and based on this the season depends. Like you can see, season in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere, and day and night length also depends on it. So what does it means? Tropic means to change. So Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn means the sun's direction or movement of sun's direction changes from this point, that is from Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Earth is tilted by 23, so maximum intensity 90 degree. So this is all the point. Now sun's not putting intensity 90 degree beyond this, so we can see that we can decide the sun's position based on the date. That is, if the date is 17th November, means the sun is already present in the southern hemisphere, because after 23rd September it starts entering into the southern hemisphere. So we can see from this. So in this tropical zone, this sun's 90 degree angle with this part 90 degree angle means that at 12 noon in this part only there will be no shadow formed. So this is the movement of the sun. Now the date 21st June and 22nd December is called solstice. That is the sun reaches its highest point, that is solstice. The date is 21st June and 22nd December. So summer solstice in northern hemisphere, coming to northern hemisphere, summer solstice will be on 21st June and winter solstice will be on 22nd December. And in southern hemisphere, winter solstice will be on 21st June and summer solstice will be on 22nd December. Now talking about equinox on 21st March and 23rd September, the sun will be at equator, and this point is called equinox. That is sun at equator. So autumn equinox. Autumn means the moving from summer to winter. So autumn equinox in northern hemisphere, autumn equinox is at 23rd September, and spring equinox will be at 21st March. And in southern hemisphere, the autumn equinox will be on 21st March, and winter and spring will be on 23rd September. Now in the northern hemisphere, short day will be in winter season, that is 22nd December, and longest day will be in summer, that is 21st June. So this area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is called tropical region. That is region getting direct sunlight, and above this region doesn't receive direct sunlight. So when the sun is in a Tropic of Cancer, this is called as distance increases. So Talking about India, the central India and the southern India receives almost direct sunlight, so more warm weather in this part of the country as compared to northern part of the country. So uh, the equator never experiences. Also, one point is that equator never experiences the winter season because there is always direct sunlight here. Because and sun will be at maximum at Cancer and Capricorn. So minimum temperature at equator will be at, at the point when the sun is at Tropic of Cancer or Tropic of Capricorn, and maximum temperature when the sun is at equinox, that is at equator point. Also, one point is that uh, this 90-degree angle of sun, 90 degree angle of sun, one time at solstice, 90 degree angle of sun at solstice one time, at equinox two times. So 90 degree angle of sun at solstice one time, at equinox two times. At solstice it is one time, and at equinox it is two times. So this is tropical zone, temperate zone, and polar zone. This is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. This is tropical area, this is temperate area, this is polar area. Now at equator region, this equator region, we know at equator region no winter, so no equator, so there's summer only. So more humidity, water source present, more temperature, so more rainfall, so more means tropical, desert tropical, evergreen forest, so only reptiles present, no speedy animals present. Also hot weather, so very less skilled persons, so poverty there. And the colder regions are the developed country, these are the developing country in between. So only in tropical areas sun will be overhead, that is at 12 no shadow formed. And now talking about the pole, thus at pole it will be 6 month day and 6 month night, as it will be away from the sunlight. Here let's see, the southern pole is, the southern hemisphere is exposed to the sunlight, so here it is summer, so south pole day, and for in the north pole it is night, and the same is for when it reaches the northern hemisphere, the sun light reaches the northern hemisphere. So you can see the month in which the northern hemisphere has the sun and the north pole is day, that is from 21st March to 23rd September, and 23rd September to 21st March it is in southern hemisphere. So both for equal day and night. So this is all the day. Polar region from 66 half mole. Now we know that polar region is already covered with ice and already very less sunlight reaches there, so those sunlight are reflected by the ice, since ice is white in color, and due to the albedo effect this sunlight reflected back, so white color reflects sunlight. So this is all about this.